Welcome back to Winning Law. I'm attorney David Nguyen with offices in Houston, Texas. And today I'm going to discuss the importance of having an attorney. And the reason why it's so important is because the Department of Homeland Security's online case status tracker, which many of you use at home to track the status of your immigration cases, is inaccurate and not always reliable. So when you hire an attorney, both you and your attorney will receive all of the notices that immigration sends out. This means that it's very unlikely that both of you will lose a notice or receipt. So let me give you an example with one of our recent cases. Someone hired us to help her with her naturalization application. After the case was filed, everything was running smoothly, and then the government schedules her naturalization interview. Now, what the government's online status tracker indicated a couple days later was that her interview was canceled for some unknown reason. And that's the status of it as of today. And let me just tell you ahead of time is that her interview was scheduled, it was canceled, they rescheduled her, and she already went to her interview. And her interview was just yesterday. However, if you look online today, you're going to notice that her interview status online still indicates that the case was canceled and that she should wait for a new interview date. So the reason why it's so important is that since she had an attorney represent her, we were able to get all of her notices. The problem is that if you were to do the case yourself, and you relied solely on the online case status updates. Let's say, for example, you filed it, you were out of town, you didn't check your mail, and then the case was rescheduled and you didn't see it. Once the government misses you at the interview, they're going to deny your case. And if you plead with them and you tell them, look, I didn't receive an online case update, they're going to tell you tough luck. And they're going to tell you that the case is denied and you have to refile. So with this video, I hope you learned something very important, and that is not to rely on the online case status tracker because it's not reliable. The person that updates it is actually the officer handling your case. So if the officer doesn't want to update it, your case is not going to get updated. So again, if you're filing this case yourself or any immigration case yourself, be very, very wary. My recommendation is that you hire an attorney. That way all your notices will be sent to your attorney, and then you'll never miss out on any important government deadlines or interviews. So again, my name is attorney David Nguyen. This is Winning Law, and we hope that we have made immigration easier to understand.
At David Nguyen's Law Office, we are here to help you. We bring families together through immigration. And on the other hand, we help you find solutions. All your legal needs in the hands of people who care, who are there for you. We'll take care of your loved ones at the Law Office of David Nguyen.